Ratios of three quantities. Let us understand this concept with the help of few examples, that if you have the ratio of three different variables, how do we figure it out, right? Let's take a look at question number 1. The ratio of red to blue is 3:2. The ratio of blue to green is 5:7. Find the ratio of red, ratio blue, ratio green. Now you have to figure out the ratio of three different quantities, right? Okay, so let me figure out, write down the ratio of red, ratio blue, that is 3:2, and the ratio of blue to green, G for green, is 5:7. Okay, so now here you, whenever you have three quantities, you have to look at the common one. Which one is common? You can see the blue is common. Now blue is the common one, red is the first, then blue is the common, and green is the third one, right? Okay, so if blue is the common one, then you have to look at the ratio for the blue. So the ratio of blue is 2 and the ratio of blue is 5, right? So these two are the ratios for blue. So these are the two ratios of blue. The blue ratio is 2 or it's 5, right? Now what we have to do, we need to cross multiply with the opposite ones, right? So this ratio we have to multiply by this opposite 5, and this ratio we have to multiply by its opposite, which is 2, to make their same, because these two numbers, these two quantities are same, blue blue, then these two numbers must be same. 5 and 2, we need to figure out the common multiple of 5 and 2 to make them same, because if these two are same, these two numbers must be same, right? Okay, now let me figure out this. Okay, so red, blue, blue, and green. Okay, so 3 times 5, 15, 2 times 5, 10, 5 times 2, 10, 2 times 7, 14. Okay, now you can see this is the common one, which is blue, and this is also the common one. So we have to make both of them same. Now the ratio for blue is 10, and for red it's 15, for green it is 14, right? So let me write everything down. We need to figure out for red ratio blue, ratio green. So the red is 15, blue is common, it's the same, which is 10, and the green one is 14. So these are the ratios of three different quantities. This is how we need to figure it out, right? Let's take a look at few other examples. Now there is another question. The ratio of blue to yellow is 2:5. The ratio of yellow to green is 3:4. Find the ratio of yellow, blue, yellow, and green. Okay, so I'm taking B for blue, Y for yellow, and that is 2:5. And again Y for yellow and G for green, and that is 3:4, right? Again, as you can see, this yellow is the common one, but these two numbers are not the same. So we need to figure out the common multiple of number 5 and number 3. So we need to multiply the first ratio by 3 and the second ratio by 5 by the opposite numbers to make their same ratios, right? Okay, so blue ratio yellow and yellow ratio green, that is 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 5, 15, 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, now here you can easily see that if these two are same, then these two numbers must be same, right? So yellow ratio is 15, blue one is 6, and the green one is 20, right? Now we can write down blue ratio yellow ratio green, that is equals to 6 ratio 15 ratio 20. Okay, and keep it in mind that after figuring out all the three ratios, it is better to convert them into simplest forms. 15, 10, 14, they are in the simplest form, right? 6, 15, 20, they're also in the simplest form. Let's do question number 3. The ratio of A to B is 2 ratio 3. The ratio of B to C is 2 ratio 5. Find the ratio of A ratio B ratio C. Okay. Now we have given A ratio B is 2 ratio 3. B ratio C is 2 ratio 5. Okay. Again, you can see this B is common. Then it means these two numbers must be same, 3 and 2. We need to figure out the common multiple of 3 and 2. So this is multiplied by 2, the opposite one. And this is multiplied by 3, the opposite one. Okay. Now we have A ratio B and B ratio C. This becomes 2 times 2 4, 3 times 2 6, 2 times 3 6, and this is 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 2 times 3, 5 times 3 15. Okay, now you can see this is the common one, 6. Now this is for B. The A one is 4 and the C is 15, right? Let me write this down. Now here we will get A ratio B ratio C, which is equals to 4 ratio 6 ratio 15, and all of 3 are in the simplest form, right? So this is how we need to figure out when we have the ratio of 3 different quantities. How do we deal with the ratios of 3 different quantities? I hope you understand the concept. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.